You've applied the foam, it's in place. So what happens next? In this final video, we'll show you what to expect as the foam cures, how to check that your insulation is doing its job, and how to finish your space, whether that means painting, paneling, or prepping for drywall. Right after spraying, the foam begins expanding quickly, but full curing takes time. Most of the expansion happens in the first minute, but we recommend waiting a full 24 hours before touching, trimming, or covering it. You'll notice that the outer skin hardens first. This is the closed cell exterior locking everything in, but deeper inside, some cell structures stay partially open. That's how our hybrid formula helps the foam expand and grip without pulling away. If the room is warm and humid, curing might finish a bit sooner. If it's cool or dry, give it the full day. Once cured, it's time to do a quick inspection. Are all your target areas fully covered? Any gaps, undersprayed zones, or thin spots under 2 inches? Any foam pulling away from the surface? If you see any light spots, cracks, or exposed areas, you can reapply a second coat. Just mist lightly with water first. Our formula bonds well to cured foam, so you can top it off anytime. Yes, our foam is fully paintable once it's cured. We recommend acrylic latex paint for best results. It's quick drying, safe for the foam, and it's easy to apply. Avoid oil-based or solvent-based paints. They can soften or damage the cured foam. Make sure the surface is dry and dust-free before painting. You can use a brush, a roller, or a sprayer, depending on your project. Depending on where you're spraying, attic, garage, crawl space, or wall cavity, you'll want to cover the foam for either protection, appearance, or building code compliance. Here are the common options. Drywall for finished interiors or habitable spaces. Plywood or OSB panels, often used in garages or workshops. Rigid insulation board, great for crawl spaces or rim joists. Paint only, sometimes acceptable for basements or utility areas, but check your local codes first. In most regions, exposed foam in living areas must be covered with a thermal or ignition barrier. Your local building department can confirm what's required in your area. You've done it. You've insulated your space, sealed the gaps, and taken control of your home comfort and energy efficiency, all without hiring a contractor. From prepping the surface to applying like a pro and now finishing it right, you've mastered it. Thanks for trusting us to help you through your spray foam project. If you ever need support, reach out to our team. We're here to back you up. We can't wait to see what you insulate next.